Hi everyone, this is Triple T, and today I'm transforming MPU-01 Thrust. And you start by getting rid of these, like that. I'm going to fold these little stands in, just makes everything easier. And if you have transformed MP52 version 2, you know how this goes. Okay. Fold these up and tab them in. You have to scooch them down a bit, but that is how it works. Come to the underside and untab the side. Move the foot and press that backwards like that. Open this up. And this will now tab in to that side instead of that. So bring that in and tab that in. And that is, well, 1 foot done. I'm gonna do that again because I think it's so fun. Bring that to the outside. Fold the foot down. Fold this up. This can be troublesome sometimes. Ah, I like that sound. Now you really know that it's in there. Okay. Now we're going to rotate these. First of all, you have them on a hook tab here. There. So just hinge everything out. And you can angle them a bit. Untab this piece, rotate that down and tab that in. Now you can just fold this entire piece back, and we're going to leave these wings for now. Again, out with this piece, tab that in, unhinge this from that hook tab, fold that down, tab that in. And now we can just separate the legs so you get some room. You fold this up and over for now. You can split it and just have it look like that. Bend the knee and hold this piece down. Bend the knee and hold this piece down. Push these sides forward, so he looks like that. And now we're going to go up a bit. Here we're going to loosen this up, and there you can see the head. And since it's not pegged in right now, it's going to be loose, loosey-goosey. Fold these up. Like so. Hinge the arms outwards. Like so. And then we angle, well, wait, we have to do that first and rotate this. And you can remove the head if you want to, you don't have to. I just did for no apparent reason. Fold this down, side down, like so, up, and then down, past some plastic, yes, I know. But when you have that in there, everything is just dandy. You can now push these down, and they have little tabs that they go onto, like so. It's more of a suggestion than anything else, but you know, it works. And I'm not a fan of this. You pull this to the side, you fold that forward. You do have this little radar dish, but I don't really care about that stuff. You fold this down all the way, and then push that in as far as you're able. make him use his waist rotation, and these are supposed to be forward like that when you press that in, so everything will just go where it should, and then you can just close his waist up like so. Those two go down, and this goes down like that, but don't close that up yet, because we need to push this into the back here, like so. Then we can fold that down. I'm going to save the head for last, just for suspense. Open this up, fold the hand out, and fold the arm down. Rotate the hand. Same thing here. Rotate the arm. Push these in. Something I have to do with stuff here, but I don't know really what I did wrong. Now we bring in the head. You fold this up. You fold the sides out, you push the head inwards, like so, so it's a true cone head. Now, the trick here is to put it on like that. So you put it on, you push it backwards, so you hear the click, and then you turn it forward. Now the head is just as it should. And there you have him in normal mode.